Want a face that turns heads? Define jawline, carved cheekbones, that movie star sharpness. Here's the truth. It's not genetics, it's neglect. Most guys already have the structure. They're just buried under bad habits. Let me show you how to reveal what's been hiding in plain sight. No gimmicks. You don't need a perfect face. You need strategy. Filters won't save you. TikTok hacks won't last. These are real science-backed upgrades that reshape your face over time, and they work. Your eyes are the command center of your face. Tired, messy eyes? You look sloppy. Groomed brows? Sharp stare? You look locked in. Trim those strays. Lose the unibrow. No overarching nonsense. Just clean. Just masculine. Takes 5 minutes. Changes everything. Beards aren't trends. They're tools. Want a sharper jawline? Grow around it. Don't hide it. Tight stubble. Clean neckline. Faded edges. That's structure. Patchy? Use a derma roller and oils. Smooth skin? Go clean shave. Just keep it crisp. Messy beard, soft face. Precision beard equals power. Good bone structure is optional. Clear skin is essential. You want sharpness? Smooth skin makes your angles pop. Routine. Cleanser. Exfoliate tooth reek. Moisturize. Sunscreen, yes, even for dark skin. Good skin, instant glow up. The wrong haircut can round out your face. The right one sculpts it like a statue. Don't follow trends. Follow your shape. Wide face? Keep the sides tight. Long face? Add volume up top. Your haircut should carve your look, not just sit on your head. You want a jaw that pops? Build the base it sits on. Neck, shoulders, traps. The more muscle up top, the more defined your face looks. And cardio? It's not optional. Fat hides your structure. In just 4-6 weeks, your head-to-neck ratio can shift, and so will how people see you. Chewing is your secret weapon. Hard gum, crunchy foods, tough cuts of meat. Every mewing micro-workout, but only if your posture is elite. Tongue up, nose breathing, spine straight. It adds up. The wrong haircut can round out your face. The right one sculpts it like a statue. Don't follow trends. Follow your shape. Wide face? Keep the sides tight. Long face? Add volume up top. Your haircut should carve your look, not just sit on your head. You don't need a new face. You need to reveal the one you've had all along. Sharpen your habits. Reshape your look. Because the guy in the mirror, he's about to level up, and everyone will notice. Drop A in the comments if you're starting today. And hit subscribe. Your glow up just got unlocked.